Today we're going to be solving problem 2 from the Math Kangaroo Level 7 and 8 2020 question paper. Number 2 reads, in which of the regular polygons below is the marked angle the largest? A, an angle of a hexagon, B, an angle of a pentagon, C, another angle of a pentagon, D, an angle of a square, or E, the angle of a triangle. So right off the bat, we can eliminate the right angles and acute angles because we already see some obtuse angles here from the pentagons and the hexagons. So just cross those out. So we're left with these three. Two are pentagons, and I want to mention both of them are pentagons, so the angle will have the same measure. So this one is not bigger than this, and this one is not bigger than this, even if the shape is bigger, and even if the angle looks bigger. So we're left with these three. So it's basically pentagon versus hexagon. So what should we do? Well, we can infer that the hexagon has a larger angle measure, and it does. So the answer is A, because the hexagon side tilts out more, which makes the angle measure larger. So the answer is A, but there's actually a formula you can use to solve the angle measure of a shape with sides. So right here's the formula. A equals 180 times n minus 2 over n. So we can use this formula with our pentagon and our hexagon, and I'll explain what A is, what n is. So A is our angle measure. So that's our answer basically. And the n here is the number of sides. So this one, you can obviously see that it's the pentagon because a pentagon has 5 sides. So A equals 180 times 5 minus 2 over 5. And the answer would be 108. Because 180 times 3/5 is 108. 3/5 of 180. And then for 180 times 6 minus 2 over 6, so 180 basically times 2/3, or 2/3 of 180 is 120. And you can search it up. These are the angle measures of a pentagon and a hexagon. Using this formula, you can also do it with a square and a triangle. We just didn't do it because that would waste time because we already know that those aren't the answers. So you can see that the hexagon had the bigger angle measure, the larger value angle measure. So we can select A as our answer. I selected again. So yeah, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe so you won't miss any video, and comment. I will do all of the problems from problem 1. I already did problem 1, and this is the second one. And I'll do them till problem 30 of the 2020 level 7 and 8 question sheet. Thank you so much.